We are at the corner of Cleveland Heights Boulevard and Westover Street, here at the YMCA. Down the street is Peterson Park, and that's where we are heading to now. Here is the park. Let's go this way first before we go into the park. Here's a little bikeway, which if you take that, cross over that bridge, it will take you to an apartment complex, which will take you to New Jersey Avenue. Once you get on New Jersey Avenue, you have an option to get connected to the Fort Fraser Trail, which runs along US 98. This used to be a walkway. Well, obviously it is closed off, but we have walked it before. Gonna head on back to the street, show you where some shelters are, across from where the park is, kind of. Over that way. It is part of the park. There's one of the shelters. Back there is the bathroom. And here's a screened-in shelter, very large. This one's called the Eagle's Nest. Try to get a shot of the inside. The screen's kind of dirty.
Mr. Green Jeans.
And there is Mr. Green Jeans. We have yet to venture back there. So we're going to now. There is a little lake back there.
And that sand over there, I think, is the golf course.
And there's
Cleveland
part of the Cleveland Heights golf course. If you can see the sand traps. If I was playing golf, I'd be very familiar with the sand trap. Back on the street, there is a picnic shelter there. And back there is a little dock. When you get to the park, take a left. There are the bathrooms. There's the boat ramp. And there's the dock back there. Here is the little dock. And that lovely noise, if you hear it, is the Polk Parkway. Across from the bathrooms are the baseball fields. Across from the baseball fields, next to the bathrooms, are some shelters. There's the third shelter on this side. And over here will be our playground. There we go. We have an osprey nest. Benches and picnic tables and a water fountain. There's this little dock behind the shelters. And this is where you come out at the apartment complex. There's a nice sidewalk along New Jersey